When you search for logs, they look great, histogram, log level. When I search for traces, I was missing understanding how they're performing. So I changed the histogram to be red metrics oriented, something I need to still improve. I think that will be a very interesting question, like what's going to be the performance since we now make so many queries on one search. But showing like throughput and error rate or volume, duration, various percentiles or average, as well as potentially a heat map as an option. Like here, I would see there's a heat map, which I'm using demo data, so that'll be payment service, I think, is the one which is having fun time. So like you can see, it was duration was crawling up, and same thing you would see in your latency distribution. So hopefully that we can figure out like if there is anything else we need to make it performant. But I personally feel already more what do I say? Like I understand what I'm looking at versus the previous one, which is like number of spans.